Hi, welcome to Think Big Digital, and today I will show you how to add a fisheye effect to clips in CapCut. First, let's open our CapCut, and as you can see, I already have a project opened here. So let's say I want to add the fisheye effect on the first portion of the video. So let's first split the clip and select the first portion. Tap on Effects on the bottom menu and go to Video Effects. Here, type Fisheye. CapCut has a total of 6 different fisheye effects, each having their own unique value. So let's say I want to choose the Fisheye 4. So I have to tap on that, and you can also adjust the effect by double tapping it. And you can edit the intensity. You can see the change happening in the background, the filter, the size of the eye. I can also edit the texture of the fisheye effect, which plays with the blur. After I'm done, I can drop it and go back, click the tick mark, and the effect is finally added on my video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.